Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I will show you how to find and save Instagram filters or effects this year 2023. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. First, we're going to go on our Instagram app, go to On My Story. Now to find the Instagram filters, scroll over to the right until you see Browse Effects. Click on that, and this brings you to all the filters. You can either search if you know the name of that effect. I just type in a couple of letters. Let's say I like this effect. Hit save button. If I wanted to use this effect, I can hit try it, or I can just go back. As you can see, here is my save filter. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share it to your friends, and hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.